In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export form submissions in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to our form by going to the Marketing tab and going over to the Forms tab right here. Once you're there, you should be able to see right here the forms that we have so far. So for this case, let's choose right here this particular form and click on this Edit tab. Now once you have the submissions ready, you can head over and make sure to locate the submissions for this as well. You can head over right here to your settings of your form, head over to the submission settings, and in here you can notify users as well as contact owner. Now let's head over to the file right here. You can have the option to select campaign and view submissions. So head over and view the submissions that this actual form have. Once you're there, you can see the option to export submission. So click on this export right here, and it will be able to export the submission depending on the name and choose a file format. Choose right here the date range, and once you're done, click on export. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links on the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.